All right, this is an update video on the Longwood shop heater furnace. This is year 3 running this setup, and it's been fantastic. 5-foot firebox. I got my wood staying inside here, nice and dry. Got stubbed through the shop window. It'll keep a 30 by 45 shop that's insulated-ish, minus the doors, 70, 75 degrees if I push this thing hard enough. So, there you go. You guys got access to a wood-burning furnace. You don't care what it looks like. And I just painted it to match. It's not even the same tin. But got trailers, wood out here. Coming here, load it full of wood. It'll last 3, 4, 5 hours, depending on how hard I'm pushing it to maintain the temperature. Right now it's 25 degrees outside, except 75 degrees in the shop. So there you go.